Hi, this is Laura, and I just want to share with you a great solution to a problem that I had. I have so many framed photographs, and they've been sitting in a drawer probably for 12 years because on most of them the backs were broken. And I have so many pictures on my walls already, and these could only be hung on the wall because the back cardboard stand on almost all of them were either too stretched out, like here's a typical one that's almost no good. But anyway, what happened was they were sitting in drawers, and recently I decided to put these wall unit pieces on either side of my TV. And I thought, wow, it would be so great to be able to take all those pictures out of the drawers and, be able to stand them up somehow on the shelves. I was trying to figure out how to do it, like what I can use behind the frames without having to go out and buy all new frames. And then I went and I did a search online, and I found on Amazon that they have like an amazing stand that they sell. It's just a simple little thing, but it really solved the problem. It's like a sticker, and it has 3 different adjustments for the stand, and then the stand just snaps in. And the way that I measured for all my pictures, which seemed to work out perfect for me, is 2.5 inches from the very bottom of the frame to the very start of the sticker. And then depending on how tall the frame is, would depend on, and depending on how straight you wanted the picture to stand, would depend on how, where you would adjust it. But wow, these are great. All of my pictures, I'm able to stand up now. Every single, and I've got so many more to put around the house as well. I just have so many pictures on my wall already that I didn't want to, I just have too many on my wall, and this was perfect. And these have literally, like I said, they've been sitting in my drawers, in these dresser drawers stacked up for years. I don't know, probably 12 years. It's crazy. But anyway, I just want to let you know, it's an amazing, here's how they come, by the way. They come in a box. When you order them from Amazon, the stickers, they're really strong stickers, by the way. And then here's the stands. They're separate. So it's a really great product. And I'm going to link in my description below, where to get these on Amazon, where I bought them from. It is an affiliate link, so I will make a small commission if you do click on that link to go to Amazon to purchase them. But I just thought I'd share it with you because my YouTube channel is going to be all about my experiences, things that I've been through. I'm almost 60 years old, so I've experienced a lot in my life. I've raised 5 children. I have my own business. And I've just been through a lot of medical issues with a problem with, I've had cancer issues. I've had gallbladder problems. I've had, a huge growth in my colon. These are all things that I'll talk about in some future videos. But I just wanted to share this with you, and I really appreciate it that if you can subscribe to the channel, as that will help my channel grow. And I'd really appreciate that. But anyways, okay, well, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.